Are sales progress and workload visibility unclear, leading to delayed follow-ups and missed deals? Lark Base offers ready-to-use sales and CRM templates for managing your entire sales workflow. In this video, we'll walk you through one of our most popular CRM templates. Here, you'll find multiple pre-configured tables to manage different stages of your sales process, along with a workflow and a dashboard. Let's start with the Leads table, where all potential sales leads are collected and managed. We have preset fields for different purposes, such as the text field for company name, the stage field to track lead status, the person field for owners, and single option fields for industry, customer segment, and more. This is where sales work starts, adding leads, updating statuses, and keeping every lead owned and on track. Once a lead is qualified, you can update its status, and it will automatically sync to the accounts table. This is powered by Base automations. Just set the trigger and action, and the system handles the rest. One customer account can have multiple contacts. In the Contacts table, you can manage key stakeholders like the CEO, finance manager, or IT lead. Next, we have the Activities table, which records all sales follow-ups. Calls, emails, meetings, and on-site visits are all captured here. With two-way link fields, each activity is connected to its lead. You can create a form and pin it in the sales group, so reps can quickly submit follow-ups on their phones, keeping everyone aligned on deal progress. New submissions sync to the table in real time, and a notification is sent to the right sales group. Now, let's take a look at the Deals table, where you can track each opportunity's current stage and deal value. When a deal reaches the quotation stage, you can use the pre-configured tables in the template to manage products and quotes. Over here, we have a pre-configured workflow that automatically notifies the right team based on the lead's company size once the lead is qualified. Meanwhile, advanced permissions ensure each sales member only sees their team's leads, keeping collaboration efficient while ensuring data security. Finally, let's look at the dashboard, where key sales metrics are visualized. You can use leaderboards to track team performance and lead follow-ups, funnels to monitor conversions, and tables to spot overdue follow-ups, giving you a clear view of sales health and potential risks. With Lark CRM templates, you can get started quickly and customize them to fit your sales process. Try this Lark CRM template today and build a smarter, more efficient sales workflow.